A mangonel uses elastic rubber bands in this case, sometimes rope, to be twisted tightly to then untwist and propel an arm to be able to fling a ball or an object. So to be able to set up the mangonel, you need the red pieces, the red rectangular base, the two red vertical arms. You also need a brown crossbar and some rubber bands. Put the legs into the slots on the base and then put the crossbar across, probably the top to give yourself as much room as possible. Put the rubber bands then around the sides of the legs and take a relatively short square piece of wood dowel and then twist it in the rubber bands. Start it out close to the middle and then you can slide it further to one end when you're ready to launch. Take the yellow pouch from the catapult and put it on the end of the arm when you're ready to launch, and then rotate it back and then release it, and it will fire the ball. With a mangonel, you can change the elastic that you use. You will use several rubber bands. You can change the amount that you can twist them. You can change the location of the brown crossbar to adjust the angle also. Ponder the physics of mangonels.